So we all are familiar what's the role of salt in food, or what salt does to your food. Salt helps to enhance flavors. It minimizes bitterness. It balances sweetness. Salt, also changes the molecular structure of proteins in meat and vegetable cells to improve the taste or texture of food. So many of us today have mastered their seasoning skills, like their grandmother. So we just add salt to our dish by looking at the dish. We don't even taste it. But whenever you refer a recipe written by professionals, whether on internet, whether it is on in a cookbook, so you'll notice that the recipe will specify the type of salt, whether it is table salt, kosher salt, or sea salt. Now they might not mention the quantity of salt or how much proportion we need to add to our dish, but they will always mention the type of salt. Now we never think why the recipe is specifying kosher salt or it's specifying sea salt or table salt. Instead we just add our regular table salt to every dish, whether we are making a sweet dish or savory. Now according to me, why people are using table salt is mainly because of three reasons. One, because table salt is the only salt that's available in our house for cooking, apart from the kala namak that we use for making limbu pani. And second reason can be because we have been watching our mother or our grandmother cook since childhood. She cooks only with table salt. That's easily available in the market. Now third reason can be because of the TV commercials. Since childhood, we have been watching TV ads only that promotes table salt, which says dana dana ek saman or free flowing hai. So now guys, please understand, I'm not saying that table salt is bad for you, but through this video I'm only going to educate you on different types of salt, their uses, or there are different taste profiles. Now learning about when to use a salt, why to use a salt, how to use a salt, is a key to being a good cook, or it will build a strong foundation. Now let's first understand the basics of salt. We will first see what salt is in terms of our health. Now, did you know that human beings consume salt daily because it helps us to survive? Chalo, let's see. Salt manufacturers usually advertise their salt as healthier. Yes, I agree, salt have health benefits. Now these so-called health benefits are not naturally present in salt. Because what happens is, when the salt is processed, the minerals are extracted or removed from the salt, because these minerals are mixed with impurities, and once all the impurities are taken out of the salt, then new minerals are added through other sources to the salt. Now guys, why I'm telling you this is because these added minerals does not help us to survive. There is something else in salt that helps us to survive. Now with regards to health or salt intake, sodium is the main factor in salt. Now each and every grain of any type of salt, may it be sea salt, kosher salt, table salt, any type of salt has the equal amount of sodium in it, in the form of sodium chloride. Now guys, there's a question for you. Why do human body need sodium chloride to survive? Let's understand that. Now you must have heard many health gurus, telling you that you should not drink water while eating food or immediately after eating food. What they say is, आपके पेट में एक अग्नि जलती है जो खाने को पचाने में मदद करती है, और अगर आप पानी पीते हो खाना खाते वक्त या खाना खत्म होने के बाद तुरंत बाद, तो ये अग्नि बुझ जाती है।
भागवत जी ने एक सूत्र में ये कहा है कि हमारा जो शरीर है, इसका जो मुख्य स्थान पेट है, इसमें एक स्थान होता है पेट के अंदर, नाभि, लेफ्ट साइड में नाभि से थोड़ा ऊपर जहां मेरा हाथ रखा हुआ है, इस स्थान को कहते हैं जठर। संस्कृत में कहते हैं जठर, हिंदी में कहते हैं आमाशय, अंग्रेजी में चाहे तो एपिगैस्ट्रिकम। भागवत जी कहते हैं कि इसमें अग्नि प्रदीप्त होती है, जठर अग्नि, जठराग्नि। और भोजन जो कुछ भी आप करते हैं वो पहले जठर में ही जाता है। यह है महत्व की बात। आपने रोटी का पहला टुकड़ा मुंह में डाला और जैसे ही टुकड़े को चबाना शुरू किया, लार बनना शुरू हुआ, तुरंत अग्नि प्रदीप्त हो जाती, पहले ही टुकड़े में। तो ये अग्नि प्रदीप्त हुई। अब आप जो भोजन कर रहे हैं ये इस अग्नि के प्रभाव में पचेगा। तो भोजन के पचने की क्रिया में पहले भोजन रस में बदलेगा। पहले पेस्ट बनेगा, जैसे टूथपेस्ट की कंडीशन होती है वैसा बनेगा, लुगदी जैसा, फिर उसमें से रस बनेगा, फिर रस में से सब कुछ बनेगा। अब ये अग्नि भोजन को पचा रही है और आपने भोजन पूरा करते ही पानी पी लिया, गट 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 गट, तो क्या हुआ? अग्नि शांत हो जाएगी। अग्नि का पानी से मेल नहीं है, दुश्मनी है।
Now this Agni is hydrochloric acid. Now this hydrochloric acid is produced with the help of chloride from sodium chloride, which helps us in to digest our food. Now sodium is an essential nutrient called sodium ions. Now our body needs sodium ions to function everything, right from our blood pressure to communication with our neurons. Now what is communication with neurons? Let's understand that. So researchers have found out that the salt receptor called the epithelial sodium channel is essentially a membrane that allows sodium ions into certain cells in our body. This statement sounds a bit complex to understand, right? It happened with me also when I read it for the first time. So chalo, I'll help you understand in a layman's language. So if you closely observe your tongue, you'll notice there are tiny pores on it. Now these pores are called taste buds, we all know. Now this tiny pores also have tiny cells on it, and these cells, they are there because of mainly two reasons. One is they detect all the 5 tastes: salt, sweet, bitter, umami, sourness. Secondly, they are there because they are working as a channel. They work as a channel to send information to our brain or to other body parts. So guys, you all must be thinking that क्यों पका रहे हैं बंदा? Salt and health. Who uses salt because of health? And I do agree, nobody uses salt because of health reasons. We use salt mainly because our food without salt is tasteless. Now we have learned what is sodium chloride. We have learned the health benefits of salt. Now today I'm going to help you to learn something more interesting about salt. So we all know that there are many types of salt, and every salt have a different size and shape. Now the structure of salt depends on where and how the salt was manufactured, or the manufacturing unit's location and the process of manufacturing. Now the structure of salt makes a very big difference in cooking, and that's the reason we need to learn which structure is best suited for which application. Now in my next video I will be sharing some necessary information about different types of salt that we use in everyday cooking. So I've shortlisted a few types of salt. They are table salt, kosher salt, sea salt, and there's something known as finishing salt.